Ever been told you can't sum cells by color in Excel without a complex macro? Well, that's not true. Here is a trick to sum every blue cell in my list instantly. First, press Ctrl+F to open the Find menu. Then click the Format drop-down and choose Format from Cell. Now, just click on any of your blue cells. Next, click Find All. This lists every blue cell in your sheet. Press Ctrl+A to select all of them at once. Now, look up at the name box in the top left corner. Type the word blue and hit Enter. You've just created a dynamic named range. To get your total, just type equals sum, open parentheses, blue, and hit Enter. There it is, the total of every blue cell. If you want to double check, just select all those blue cells again and look at the status bar at the bottom. The numbers match perfectly. No VBA, no stress. That's the power of Excel.